I'm here to show you something. The next 2 hours, I'll be taking you through something very magical over here. It's full of emotions, it's full of inspiration, it's full of fun. You are on the wheelchair, okay? What happened and how did this disability happen? Please tell them.
Okay, so by birth I was able-bodied person. I used to walk and everything. But at age of 1.5-year-old, I got fever, and that time I was hospitalized, and that time polio happened. And the most difficult challenge is the washroom and toilets, because they have a common toilet. So I used to do my things in my house only. Then my mother and grandmother used to carry that to outside to public toilet.
And the mother religiously, without even complaining, cleans it every single day. लेकिन माँ ही ऐसी होती है जो अपने बच्चे का कुछ भी वॉमिट करो, मोशन पास करो, ना नाक से पड़े, she will clean it. Promise me, everyone promise me today that today you will thank your parents or your guardians for taking care of you. If he was surviving in the present times, तुम्हारे depression में you would have given up on life, right? I ask you to shake his hands, will you? Wheelchair पर है, differently abled है, तो तुम्हें भी हो सकता है.
So one of the member is there. He complained in the office that guy swimming is disabled. My family member, my children, my wife also swims in swimming pool. They might get affected, and my wife and children might become disabled.
ये सच है. This is what they face every day. हम ना SC, ST, untouchability ये सब चीज की बात करें. We'll talk about them. सारे financial challenges face किया. Lot of pitch नहीं मिलना, ground नहीं मिलना. See, in spite of all this challenge, you know, Rahul is the founder of Mumbai Wheelchair Brigade.
I was diagnosed with retinitis pigmentosa at the age of 1.5 years. So one of the rarest disease which has the symptom of losing the vision over a period of time, slowly and steadily. When a toy was put down, I used to not pick it. So she found something wrong because my eyes never showed that I was having any disease in my eyes. So by 15 years of my age, I could see complete black in front of me.
This is a teen-generating eye condition जिसका कोई treatment नहीं है. इसकी treatment internationally abroad कहीं तो है, but it costs nothing less than around 4 to 5 crore rupees.
Yeah. Even in the school as well as in the college also, no one used to sit besides me.
Keep an eye around. Please be the first to talk to those whom nobody wants to talk to. Please always be there for your friends, and if you are facing a problem, please talk about it. You have your professors.
Mom used to go and beg for notes of other students, of my peers.
Being blind, even if I was not knowing about the path, it was very difficult to come from there to here.
And soon after a month, I got a call from KPMG. I got selected as a senior tax consultant.
92 में से पोलियो की बीमारी चल रही थी हर जगह, तो मुझे फीवर आके पोलियो हुआ था, तो बहुत डॉक्टर से दिखाया, लेकिन डॉक्टर के एक मिस्टेक की वजह से मैं आज व्हीलचेयर पे आ चुका हूँ. लेकिन जब मैं अपने फैमिली में वापस आता था स्कूल के बाद, तो लोग लंगड़ा क्या कर रहा है ऐसी लैंग्वेज यूज़ क्या करते थे. मम्मा कहती थी दुनिया है बोलेगी, तो मैं ये चीज़ सुनकर आगे बढ़ गया. अगर ये सुन के तुम अभी भी कमरे में बदल जाओगे तो ज़िंदगी कैसे जियोगे. अगर हम आज हैं कल नहीं रहेंगे, उसके बाद क्या होगा. उसी से मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलती थी, देन उसी से मैं बाहर निकलता था.
The first thing that you need to overcome your challenge is acceptance. Accept what is your challenge.
तो ये 2 व्हील हैं, ये मेरे पैर हैं. कई बार गिरा, कई बार चोट लगी. क्यों? क्योंकि उससे मेरी फ्रेंडशिप नहीं हुई. जब तक जिस चीज़ से हमें यूज़ कर रहे हैं उससे फ्रेंडशिप नहीं होगी, तो आई थिंक वो हमारा सपोर्ट करेगी. जब मैंने पहली बार परफॉर्म किया चेन्नई में, जब मैंने परफॉर्म किया था, तो वहाँ के बड़े बड़े गुरुज थे, वो देखने जब पैर छूने वो मेरे बहुत यूनिक चीज़ थी.
कौन से देशों में जा चुके हैं?
बहुत सारी कंट्रीज हो चुकी हैं. USA, UK, कनाडा, इटली, UAE, उसके बाद भी जापान, Singapore.
So they have gone to all these countries and many more to take India's culture abroad. How you are going to bring out that achiever from inside you. How you are going to prove to yourself, not to anyone else, that you're worth it. You know yourself. अगर नहीं जानते हो तो अपने आप के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करो और खुद को जानो. I promise I will never give up on myself. The second time I repeat this, say this with even more conviction. I promise I will never give up on myself. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Never give up.